This is a 1975 Ford Pinto Squire station wagon. Very nice condition, beautiful really. Wood grain on the side and orange in color. And we take a look inside, and it continues to demonstrate to me the premium quality of the interiors Ford put in even their compact cars. And of course, this is top of the line station wagon here, the Squire, automatic transmission, and this car has air conditioning too. Looks like factory installed. Beautifully done. The Pinto really was a very nice car. Unfortunately, it had a little problem with the positioning of the gas tank, and sensitive to rear-end collisions. And from what I gather, the bolts holding on to the springs in the back, the leaf springs, had a tendency to puncture that gas tank upon collision. And that was a very unfortunate fatal flaw for Pinto. It's too bad. Car really was a very nice overall design, but it illustrates the importance of even the slightest detail. And now, of course, we're very concerned with survivability during collisions, and very sensitive to the positioning of the gas tank and the filler tube. Now you can see how much room you had in the back here with that, with the hatch open, and you could of course fold down that back seat. Very nice.